Hi and welcome back to PI Tech Talk. And to this unboxing, I just received a couple of new boards, or newish boards from ST, and I thought that we should take a look into them. These two boards we will take a look into a later stage in the coming videos. But today these are the star of the show. And these are the new Nucleo boards for the STM32C5 microcontroller, which is their cost-optimized microcontroller for the mid-range. So a general-purpose microcontroller, as you would like to call it. And what these are, it's two different sizes. So this is the Nucleo 64 size, and this is the Nucleo 144-pin versions. And these boards are, I'm not sure if we can get it into focus. These boards that I have in my hand are pre-release boards, so they are not ready for sale yet. That goes for both of them. But I thought that we should just bring them up and see what they're containing. So as usual, these environmentally friendly packaging, and not the so environmentally friendly packaging with the ESD bag, but it's crucial that it's an ESD bag so it doesn't get damaged in the process. Always hard to get them out from the bag with all these pins sticking out. Come on. Okay, great. So now immediately I can see that there is something different with this one. There is a jack here that is not a normal thing to see. What we can see is that they have the USB-C debugger. It's an ST-Link V3, I guess. With that microcontroller there, it's an ST7 if I'm not misinformed. So this top part here is the debugger as usual, and down here you have the development boards and the pins and the Arduino headers for in normal style. And also there you have an USB-C user port. I'm not sure if it's a USB-G or what it is. And here is something that I think is it's a flex FD CAN port. So there is an FD CAN port on this board as well. And quite nice that they have suited it with a connector as well. So this one will be a really nifty thing to look into. And as usual, they have, I think it's, that is the boot strap switch, a small switch there, a reset switch, and the user button one. And I guess there are some user LED as well somewhere here. But we will take a look in that more closely in the datasheet. Now we can put that one on the side and we take a look on the bigger brother instead. So this is the Nucleo C5A3 set G. So the Nucleo C5A3 set G. Yeah, that is a mouthful. We open this one as well. And the same environmentally friendly packaging. And the ESD bag to maintain its function. Right, so what we can see here, we have that part as standard, that is the ST-Link V3 debugger. And you do know, I hope, that you can connect this part to your own board. So you don't need an external debugger for that. You can actually use this part, not having this one in play at all, just using this one. Or you can buy an ST-Link separate. So here we have the same setup with the Nucleo pins and the switch and reset and the boot pin there, and all the pins are not populated. So I think this is an engineering sample board. Yeah, I'm not sure if the release version will maintain that these pins are not populated, or if you can, if that is something that is coming in the future. Yeah, it says there ES engineering sample. So this is but this, hold on, what is this? You see? M2 serial memory. Interesting. That is the first I've seen, at least from ST. Interesting. So there is an M2 slot here. M2 serial memory, it says. Interesting. Wonder what we are going to use that for. Maybe for some memory buffers for displays or something like that. We will see. You also have an Ethernet jack here. So there is... yep, that is an Ethernet port. And with the Ethernet driver there and the magnetics. And you have an USB port there as well. Yep. So here we have the two boards. I think that there are maybe more, maybe one more ST board from Nucleo. And I guess that there will also be some discovery boards on the C5 series. But this is the unboxing for the C5 boards. If you would like to get your own boards, you can buy it from ST's website. And in my coming videos, stay tuned for that, because I will also have some vouchers to give out so that you can have these boards possibly even free of cost totally. So stay tuned for that. And hope that you liked the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to give me some hints on what you would like to see on these boards, what I would like to do, what I should do on this, give some comments in below as well. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider to do so. See you the next time. Bye.